Hey guys, it is Dwayne, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make this amazing, responsive website that is specifically designed for restaurants. As you can see, we have a navigation bar on the top and a header below it with a video in the background. And we scroll down, you can see the restaurant menu. Now you can add more or less than that, it depends on your needs. And below that, we have a contact form and a location part. I've taken this out from Google Maps. You can do that too. I'll be teaching you guys how to do that in this video. And on the right, we have a contact form that has these valid or invalid parts. And if it's valid, it will turn into green, but if it's invalid, it will turn into red. And below that we have a rating part. It's here you can put the rating of the visitors or the clients. You can put it right here. We also have the stars here also. And below that we have the footer, which is the last part. We can see here are the navigation parts, navigation bar, and as you can see we have about 4 of them. We can also see that we have the connect with us, we have the social media buttons and a disclaimer part also on here. And also when we see that from the phone's perspective, as you can see it's responsive. We can see right here we have the header menu. This turn changed into 4. This changed into 3, sorry, it was 4 before. Here's the contact us, same thing, it has not changed. And when we decrease the size, as we can see, things have changed. We also have this navigation button here. When you click it, this pops up. By the way guys, when we scroll down and when we pass that header part, the navigation bar changed the background color from transparent, as you can see here is transparent, from transparent to black, which this gives a better visualization. And as you can see, it is responsive, and this has changed from horizontal to column flex view. And this has also changed into column view, and this also. And now if we also decrease it, as you can see, the padding will be removed from the contact button, and this will change to 1. This is okay. And this, we have removed the padding from here. So yeah guys, this is the website that we'll be making in this tutorial. It will be in 2 or 3 parts, I'm not sure yet, but yeah. And I want to know that if you guys enjoy my videos with my voice on it or without voices with only some music, I'll be sure to listen to your suggestions. But now I'll not be talking, you guys can code along with me. I'll put some music in the background. Hope you guys enjoy.
If you wanna wake up oh.